Boy Tanner Vlogs back at it again with another vlog. Today we're going to be making a reacting video. I know my last video was also kind of a reaction slash story time sort of thing. I don't know. But last video I talked to you guys about the return of Logan Paul. Check it right here. We actually talked about Logan Paul coming back from the whole video. We're just going to move on from that topic, okay? So today we are going to be reacting to Mr. Beast donating $30,000. He donated $30,000 to one of his favorite streamers. I'm pretty sure he kind of talked about this guy is somebody that he actually watches quite a bit. So we're going to go ahead and start reacting to this video. I've already watched it. He kind of donates slowly, and you guys will see in the video. But let's get it started. All right.
No, surprisingly, that title is not clickbait. There's this one streamer that I really like called Space Lion, and we're just going to drop a random $30,000 donation on him and just see how he reacts. I mean, how would you react if someone just gave you 30 grand? You know, hopefully he like cries or something. I don't know. But obviously, I can't afford to drop money like this every day. So today we have a sponsor, and I'm going to take the money that sponsor gives me and give it to him. Like is an app where you can make videos with cool 4D effects. I'm going to have a video play right here. I believe this is a father and his son, and it was actually really well made. But it kind of gives me like a vibe. You can just like go on there. Anyone can become an influencer on there. And basically, Like sponsored this video, and if Like didn't sponsor this video, I wouldn't be able to give this random guy 30 grand and change his life. So I really hope you guys in return support them by downloading their app. I haven't
used Like, and I haven't downloaded it yet, but it's something that kind of seems cool. It's like a real cool 4D effect sort of thing. A lot of people's actually downloaded it. If you guys want to download it, I will leave the link in the description if I can. I don't know if I can, but I'll try to leave the link in the description. I'm not getting paid by them like Mr. Beast is, and I'm not trying to say download the link because I expect them to see this video and then sponsor me for actually sending some of you guys over there. But if you guys really want a cool little app just to do some 4D effects, then go on there, download that app, and then start using it. Post some stuff like this. I mean, this is a cool father and son little, kind of seems like it's sort of a Dragon Ball Z type, you know, video. It's just kind of, it looks like it's based on Dragon Ball Z. They kind of use the little power moves sort of things. But let's go ahead and we'll keep watching this video.
Count on here is just Mr. Beast. If you want to download the app and follow me, I'll post a video or two up there. Who knows? You know, the more I use it, I might end up liking it. And you should definitely give it a try. If you ever want to make a short video with cool 4D effects on it, it's a relatively easy way to do it. Here's my first post on the app. It's me rubbing Grandma's sticker. And these are posts from other creators on the app. I mean, there's a decent amount of influencers on the app that you should make sure you download and check out and follow them and me. But yeah, that's that. Let's go donate this guy some money. Alright guys, so the streamer I'm going to be donating to is this guy right here, Space Lion, and I really like his streams. I mean, he's a really humble guy. Whenever he dies, you know, he doesn't really complain that much, and whenever he does really well, he doesn't really brag about it. He just says GG, and honestly, I really enjoy his stream. Like, I watch his stream literally about an hour or two every single day. I really like him. So to sum it up, I'm donating to this guy because I really enjoy his stream. I think he's really humble, and I suck at Fortnite and would really like him to give me some lessons because he's one of the top players in the world, and, you know, I want to get better. So we're just going to start off with a $1,000 donation, you know, nothing crazy, just slowly work our way in. I love your stream. Keep it up, Dad. This is only a fraction of what I'm going to give him, and he's probably going to freak out. Dude, I'm so excited.
I wish I could
I sent it. Let's see what he says.
Come on.
I love your stream. Keep it up, Dad.
What are you doing? What the hell? What? Yo, Mr. Beast has donated $1,000, dude. $1,000. Oh my God, Mr. Beast. I'm gonna throw up.
See, this is what I'm talking about. He's such a great guy.
Thank you so much for $1,000 donation. Love your stream. Keep it up, Dad. Dude, like I keep telling you, keep calling me Dad, but you're the real daddy.
All right.
Oh my God. Yo, thank you so much, Mr. Beast. Holy shit. That's such a stupid amount to give someone.
Dude, that just, oh my god.
Just wait until
right,
you
let's
get
do
to
round
the
number
later.
2. Let's hit him while he's still freaking
space
out.
line.
We're gonna ease it
Just
up.
wait till you get to the
We're gonna do
later
5,000. Dude, he's probably gonna freak out. No problem.
So
I think
crazy.
you are a really cool dude. Oh my gosh, dude, this is 5,000. Dude, he's probably about to lose it. Dude, watch this. Oh, I'm so excited.
NP, I think you are a really cool dude.
What? Are you fucking kidding me? Why am I crying? I should be happy, dude. Dude, thank you so much for $5,000. Why would you do this? Why? $5,000? That's like my bank account.
$5,000. I wish that was my
We're
bank
just getting
account.
started, man. I'm gonna give him another minute, and then we'll drop it 10 grand. This is so much fun.
Bro, if you ever need someone to carry you in Fortnite, I'll try my best.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's play after this game. Once he gets this donation, what's he even gonna do? Alright, here we go, boys. We just did a $10,000
$1,000. Oh my god.
Lit, I could use a good carry.
Oh. Oh my god, are you serious? What the fuck? Do you guys see that fucking... You guys see that stupid amount? What the hell? I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna throw up.
No, we still
gonna
have more.
Oh my god. That's $10,000. Plus
That's
5,000 and another
money.
1,000.
That's really, that
What do I
is
do?
a lot of money.
I feel like we should wait a little bit before we hit him with the 15 bomb. See, now you know why I donated to him. Look at see, that's some good reactions right there. That's quality content.
He just donated $16,000.
Alright, we're gonna do the last 14.
He just donated $16,000, dude.
What's he even gonna say?
Are you kidding me?
This is the last one. Don't worry about it. This is the last one. Got a good sponsor for this video. I really like your stream. One more. Dude.
No, not one more time. I'll literally have a heart attack.
Alright, well good. I expect a heart attack then. Come on. It's pending for some reason. I told him to check his PayPal.
No.
But because I wanted to get the 30 grand, but for some reason the last 14's pending. His face.
He just donated $15,000 more dollars.
Dude, what? Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Space line
$15,000 more dollars, dude.
I mean, I would too. I mean, who wouldn't go crazy if someone just randomly came into your stream, or just any case of the matter at all, just randomly donate you $30,000?
Oh my god! Yo, thank you so much, dude. Holy shit.
Dude, he has like 3,000 viewers. He had like 200 when I started. What the fuck? So there's this app called Like. They sponsored the video, so we should probably push it really hard since they gave me
it's
so
pretty
much
much the rest of the video is just them two playing Fortnite. Let me actually make this a little bigger for you all. So the rest of the video is them just playing Fortnite. Spaceline actually just brought Mr. Beast into a game because he really wants to try to help him get a little better. Big props to Spaceline. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people would do that if they got donated $30,000. I'm sure they would let them play with them, you know, for as long as they want, every day, whatever. But Spaceline and Mr. Beast actually seem like they're going to become pretty good friends, because Mr. Beast actually watched him stream quite a bit, as he said in the video, 1 to 2 hours a day, every single day. He said that he really liked his content. It was quality content. Spaceline was really humble. He didn't really get pissed when he actually got killed or anything. I don't know about all of you guys that actually come to and watch this video, but if somebody gets pissed and rages at a game, I actually think it's pretty funny. That's something I really want to do, is kind of get into recording my gameplay, because I do game quite a bit, pretty much a few hours every single day. I'm always playing a game on my Xbox. I play Xbox One. You can add me, Gamertag T8IG Astro. I will put it on the screen right here, hopefully. And you can add me. I play Fortnite quite a bit. I play let's see what else. I play Fortnite. I play Shoot, what else do I play? I play World War II. That's two main games that I play. I play PUBG every now and then, but kind of really got back out of that game. Just didn't really like it that much. But I do play Fortnite pretty much 90% of the time. I do play World War II, Prop Hunt, and all this. So, if you guys want to see gaming videos, smash that like button. If we get 30 likes, I will try my best to get some, I went blank. But I will try to get the things to be able to record all my gameplay, like an Elgato and things like that, and a Logitech webcam, and just try to be able to record gameplay. I don't know how well that'll go, just because those things cost just a little bit of money, and my job is, it's just a minimum wage job, so it doesn't really pay me that much. So it'll kind of be hard to actually get the money to buy those things. But if you guys smash the like button, give me to 25 likes, hit the subscribe button, I will try my best to actually be able to make gameplay videos somehow and to make them pretty decent. But back to the actual reason we made this video. Mr. Beast is a freaking amazing guy. He gets a lot of sponsors because people see him doing these videos, doing giveaways, giving the money to people, and a lot of people actually thought he was faking his videos, donating the money, but he showed proof that it took $30,000 out of his PayPal account that he got from the app that I told you all in the first of the video, which is Lock. He got $30,000 from them because he got sponsored by them for him to show their app in his video, because they're just like a starting app. So if y'all want to go download that link, I'm not trying to get sponsored by them. I'm not trying to get money from them, because I know it's not going to happen. I ain't going to get millions of views on this video, and I'm probably not even going to get thousands of views on this video. But if I get a few hundred, they're still not going to sponsor me. So I'm not going to try to do that. I just want y'all to be able to see what this app is about and just kind of play around with it. I may make an account on there so y'all could follow me. But if I do make an account, it'll be in the description. If I don't, then it won't be in the description. But my gamer tag, I will leave in the description if y'all want to play with me, people who see this video. Shout out to Mr. Beast for donating $30,000 to Spaceline. I'm pretty sure Spaceline actually streams every single day, so if y'all want to go watch him, then check him out on, I believe he streams on Twitch, but I'm not sure. He might stream on YouTube, and if he does, you all can check on YouTube or check on Twitch. It's either or, but y'all can check him out and watch his content. Mr. Beast likes him, so I'm sure a lot of people like him. So yeah, guys, I believe that'll be the end of the video. If y'all liked this video, if you like these type of videos, then hit that like button, please. And please subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next video, guys, peace out.